Alright, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a helmet unboxing. I actually bought this helmet yesterday. You've probably seen the video of us going to look at helmets, and I'm so excited to actually open it and take the plastic off of it, because I wanted to do the video of an unboxing. So I know, as y'all probably know as well, you can't wait to take the plastic off a helmet, try it on and stuff. So I'm excited. Can't wait to try it on. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I got a Sedici. You have to do it. So the guy, when I was looking at helmets, I was like, now for the video, I'm going to need to know how to say this name. So he said Sedici. So it's like Italian. But he said, yeah, you got to do the little hand thing when you say Sedici. Sedici. That's how he said it. So I wish I could have got that on film because it was kind of funny. But yeah, so this is the helmet I ended up getting. And I can get it out here with one hand. Oh yeah, I can. Alright, set it on the counter. So I definitely don't want to drop this thing. Now, this thing, the color is, I don't know. I want a bike to match this color, like a R6 or something. A gray R6 would look fantastic with this riding down the road, and some like red rims to match like this red here. So now this doesn't have the plastic on it. I did end up getting the red visor. I was back and forth between like say the red visor and the black visor, like the tinted. So, you know, this is your basic helmet. It's got a very comfortable fit because I did try it on there. I believe it was, how much does that say? I don't know if you guys can see that. If the camera will focus, it's 240 bucks, and then $40 extra for the visor. And then probably won't ever use this, but it's got like that little fighter jet thing on it. So let's see if I can find where this ends and peel this off, because I've been wanting to peel this off too. It's just satisfying peeling this off for some reason. Oh yeah. But yeah, like I said, I don't know if you can remove that or if there's a way to remove it. I'm sure there is. Probably taking something out in there, but if I can, I'd want to remove it. But I'm going to put the red visor on, and then I'll get back with you guys in a second. Alright? Alright, so now we got that red tinted visor on, and that thing looks fantastic on this helmet for real. I kind of wish this said remove before flight. That would be cool. I know it's probably like a safety thing, but remove before flight would be even better. So now, since I've been waiting so long to peel this up, if I can even, yeah, there we go. Okay. Yes, and it got stuck on our napkins, but that's okay. Oh man, that looks so incredibly good. I can't wait to ride with this thing on the road, honestly. This thing's gonna be like, I know it's a helmet, you know, whatever, but I like nice helmets, honestly. I enjoy seeing a good helmet. I'm sure some other people out there enjoy it as well. So yeah, this is a new helmet. I'm gonna put it on real quick for you guys, and then do like a little I guess head test or whatever, just show around the helmet. Alright, yeah, let me do that, and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so now I got the helmet on. I don't know if you can hear me too well with the helmet on or whatnot. But yeah, this thing, it's a little tight right now, not gonna lie. But, you know, it loosens up over time, and I'm pretty sure this thing looks fantastic with the shield down. Oh yeah, this thing looks good. I can't wait to actually get out and ride with it and get it fitted. So yeah, so that's the helmet review of the Sedici. I believe it's the Strata 2. And then it's just a regular red tinted visor I got for it that fits the Sedici brand. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn the post notifications on so you never miss future episodes, future videos, uploads, helmet reviews, or new bikes, new cars. You never know what's going to happen next. So we'll see you guys in the next one.